Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you doing all? I hope you are doing wonderful in your life. These are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius all over the world. In this video, Aquarius, I'm going to do your soulmate love reading. Here, I'm going to take your energy and I'm going to take their energy on this side. And in the between, I'm going to take two cards for the mutual energy. Okay, Aquarius, this is your soulmate love reading, Aquarius. Okay, let's see what are the energies from what they think about you, what are the energies from their side, and what are your energies on this side. Okay, Aquarius, in between I'm going to take two mutual cards. So I'm going to take four cards here, not four cards, six cards for yourself and six cards for them. Okay, and see what I'm having. I just cut the deck and I'm having four of wands for you. Okay, Aquarius, I know you are very excited to know. Let me see what is the, let me complete my thing. Okay, so I know you're super excited, and I also very super excited when I do your soulmate reading. I always get very excited, Aquarius, because this is the best part. This is very energetic. This is very surprisingly very beautiful, lovely portion of my channel. I love doing your soulmate reading. Okay, so let's see. If you like my video, you can like, share and subscribe. And if it's not going to resonate with each of you, so if it doesn't resonate with you, Aquarius, you can skip it out. Okay, there is no compulsory that it is going to resonate with each of you, Aquarius. And please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Okay, Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment. Okay, so let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. What are the energy for the Aquarius? Help me out to give the energy and messages. Okay, Two of Swords. What is the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world? What are the messages? What are the energy? What are the messages? Three of Cups. What are the okay, King of Pentacles. Okay, what are the messages? Okay, that was fast. Nine of Cups. Okay, what are the messages? Let me adjust like this. Okay, what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? Okay, so yes, Aquarius, these are the six cards for you. You got Two of Swords, Three of Cups, King of Pentacles, Nine of Cups, Hermit energy and Ace of Pentacles. And bottom of the deck, you're getting Six of Wands. So let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius partner. What they feel, what they think about Aquarius. Help me out to give the messages. Oh, High Priestess and the Tower. Tower is there. What are the messages for my Aquarius partner? What are the messages? What they think about Aquarius? What are the messages and energy? Six of Wands. Let me adjust it a little bit more. Okay. What are the messages, energy for my Aquarius partner? What are they thinking? What are the energy? What are the messages for my Aquarius partner? Two of Pentacles. Okay. What are the messages? Death card. Tower and Death both is there in your partner reading, Aquarius. Something is happening in their life. Okay, too many cards. What are the okay, Knight of Swords. They're rushing towards you. Okay, so let's see what is the mutual energy between Aquarius and their partners. What are the mutual energy? Oh, devil. Devil is there. Devil is there. Okay, and has come twice. It has come twice, Aquarius. In the main reading too, I got your devil energy. And the Wheel of Fortune is the next card. Bottom of the deck, I am having the Sun and the Moon both, and Six of Cups and Four of Cups. And the Judgment. Okay, let's start. Bottom of the deck, I am having Sun and the Moon. Okay, and Six of Cups. So Aquarius, you are dealing with two people. There is an energy of two people. One is giving you the new beginning and one is giving you lies and deception. That's the Judgment, and Ace of Cups is there. Yeah, see, wow, wow, how beautiful it is, Aquarius. See, these are the four cards. There is a twin flame entering in your life. There is a soulmate who is there in your life, Aquarius, right now, or soon they are rushing towards you. Maybe some of you have not met your soulmate yet, but soon they are rushing towards you. They are going in your direction, Aquarius. They are moving towards your direction, and that's the Judgment here. This is divine judgment. When divine makes a judgment and it's in your favor, you are getting Ace of Cups, you're getting your emotion fulfilled, and there is a Six of Pentacles. So there will be an equal amount of give and take between you and your partner. Okay, so yes, let me see. These are the four energies which you are getting with the new person. That's the soulmate which you are going to meet now. Why there is a devil between you both? I need to see. You want your wish to be fulfilled, Aquarius, and you are doing your inner work. You are moving within yourself to get the answers. Okay, you are getting answers. You are seeking answers from within. You want some things solid, stable offer. You want this Ace of Pentacles. You want something very solid, stable, committed offer from your partner, from your soulmate. You want something solid relationship, something stable relationship. You want to be get your wish to be fulfilled. Okay, Aquarius. And there is a devil here in the first card. Okay, in the first reading, between this King of Pentacles. So this King of Pentacles is your devil, Aquarius. The past person which you are dealing with is the devil here. Okay, because there is a Three of Cups too. There were Three of Cups too. Let me clarify here. There is a Moon card energy too. Something was hiding from you. Okay, hidden from you. Some truth was hidden from you. There was something which is not, you did not know the truth. Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. This is the energy of Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This is the energy of them. Okay, so the past person, there you are having two person. Okay, the Sun and Moon both are there. So maybe there was something which was hidden, you get to know, and there is a devil energy, and now you're getting the Sun, new beginning in the life. And in your partner life, Aquarius, in your partner life, they are getting you, they are moving ahead with their intuitions. They are listening their intuitions. They're taking a High Priestess energy. They are moving ahead with the intuition things, and something is happening in their life with the Tower card. Tower card is there. So you both are getting apart from each other. This is the divine intervention. Okay, this happens when divine interrupts in your situation. So divine is interrupting because divine know that something is happening, something is toxic, something is devil here. Okay, so maybe something was devil here, so that's why the Tower moment is happening, and they are getting Six of Wands. They're getting succeeded in that. After this Tower moment, they are getting success. Okay, they were juggling between two things. They were also juggling with two things, two situations. Two of Pentacles. They were not able to make a decision, but they are ending this situation. They are ending this energy with the Death card. Tower and Death both are there. Some of you are dealing with Scorpio. Hardly water energy is there. Air energy is too there. Earth energy, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, earth energy is there, but water, earth and air, every sign is there. I can say air energy, water energy, earth energy too. So yeah, they are putting an end to this situation of juggling between two situations. Now they are putting an end to these situations and they are rushing towards you. Can you see? They are rushing towards you, Aquarius. Knight of Swords, they are rushing towards you. They were not able to make a decision, maybe between two situations, between two things. They were juggling, were not knowing what to do. And Wheel of Fortune is moving in the, is there. Okay, Wheel of Fortune is there. So yeah, you want your wish to be fulfilled with this Nine of Cups. Okay, so wish fulfillment. Wheel of Fortune is working in your favor. Let me clarify some cards, Aquarius. Let me clarify why there is a devil. Why there is a devil? Wow, that was quick. You will get your clarity, Aquarius. Ace of Wands is there. You will get your clarity. See again, Six of Cups. The past person which you were dealing with. Five of Cups, Ten of Wands and Five of Wands. There were some... Why there is a devil energy, I ask you. There is Five of Cups, Ten of Wands and Five of Wands. Conflicts were there. There were some conflicts. They were not a good energy around you. This person was not a good energy around you. And you were more feeling very sorrow, grief, because there is a 10 of Wands here. There is an ending of Wands. There is no 11 of Wands. You were carrying all the burdens with this devil. Okay, Aquarius. There were some conflicts, hard conflicts. Five of Wands, Five of Cups, both are there. Both are there. That's why there is a devil. And this is from the person. Let me explain you what is the King of Pentacle. Okay. Nope, I'm not going to take it. There was something. You were feeling very sorrow. You're completing a cycle with this King of Pentacle. You are completing a karmic cycle. This is the karmic soulmate, maybe. Yeah. You're completing a karmic cycle with this. You are ending a cycle. You're completing a cycle with this. King of Pentacles. Explain me. Yeah, see, Ten of Swords. Ten of Swords. Ten of Wands. Both are there. This is the person you were in a relationship with. Okay, this is not your soulmate. This is the person with you were dealing before. Okay, you were with this person in the past. Some of you were in a relationship with this person and you are completing a cycle because you are having 10 of Swords. They have given you enough of backstabbing, pain, enough of everything. Okay, they have already crossed all the limits and boundaries. Whatever they can do, whatever bad they can give you, they have given you already. The 10 of Swords is there. They have already put all the swords in your back, and that's why you're completing a cycle, because there is a 10 of Wands too. 10 of Wands and 10 of Swords are there. You are feeling very sorrow, sad, grief, okay, about this person. But don't worry about it, Aquarius. Your soulmate is there. This is your soulmate reading. This is your soulmate energy which I have get here, and this is your energy. So they are also putting an end to something and they are rushing towards you, and they are giving you this, the Sun card, happiest card in the deck, new beginnings in their life, and their Moon card is there. So this is the person which you were dealing with. Can I get more message on King of Pentacles? I need to explain you more. See what has fallen. The Moon. That's what I was telling you. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. See what I'm having right now, and you will not believe it. That's why I was feeling to explain a little bit more. This King of Pentacle is the devil. That's why I was thinking why there is a devil. There is a two times devil, devil and devil, moon and moon. And this is the clarification of this King of Pentacle. Moon and moon from both of the deck. Seriously? Seriously? You are at the crossroads. You are making a decision, Aquarius, because you get to know that this person is not good at all. This is the devil. This is the toxic energy around you. Okay, and there are some things which were hidden from you. Okay, you are completing a cycles. You are, some of you are taking a decisions. You are at a crossroads making a decisions because you are hoping for new hopes and desires. You're the star card. You're wishing up the star, Aquarius. This is you. This is you. You are hoping for new things, new hopes, new desires. You are already done with this devil energy, Aquarius. Wow. Thank you, God, for giving the accurate and exact explanation so that I can explain you. This is your devil. This is the devil of King of Pentacles is the devil. The person you are dealing right now or were dealing in the past was not your match. That was your devil, and you are completing the cycle of this thing, Aquarius. You are completing a cycle because you have put an end to that. There you have already done the end. You are already completed 10 of swords and 10 of wands energy. You're completing a karmic cycle with them. So yeah, so let me see, what is this Ace of Pentacle? What is this Ace of Pentacle? No, let me explain you Wheel of Fortune. Okay, what is the Wheel of Fortune? Wow. Wheel of Fortune is clarified by Wheel of Fortune and Four of Cups. Maybe some of you are not ready to accept a cup. Can you see there is a cup which is offering you, Aquarius, and you are not ready. Please see and see Wheel of Fortune and Wheel of Fortune. Wow, bottom of the deck I'm having King of Wands. This is your soulmate, the new person entering your life. This person, this new person, your soulmate, Aquarius. They want to offer you a cup. Wheel of Fortune, Wheel of Fortune. Wow. Wow, literally wow. But you are not ready to accept the cup right now because you are more focusing on the fallen cups. Don't focus on fallen cups, Aquarius. Focus. Can you see how beautiful it is? This cup is colorful. How colorful it is. Wow, I love the colors too. Just focus on this cup. Just focus on the hand who want to offer you the cup full of emotions. That's the Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune. It's a double confirmation from my deck, from both of the decks, that the wheel is getting in your favor. Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor, Aquarius. Let me clarify one more time. One more thing I need to clarify more. What is... Okay. Okay. Yeah, see, Eight of Cups, bottom of that. You're leaving a situation. You're leaving behind to achieve your Nine of Cups. You are getting... So you are leaving a situation so that you can achieve your Nine of Cups, and Nine of Cups is there. Too many cards. Okay, Nine of Cups. You want to achieve your Nine of Cups. No, I'm not going to take it. Too many cards. They're saying no. Don't take it. Okay. Help me out. Again, too many cards. Help me out to explain the meaning of Wheel of Fortune. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Justice. Again, that is served in your case because you have not done anything bad. King of Swords and Eight of Pentacles. Any other message? Explain me the meaning of... Explain me the meaning of Wheel of Fortune. So they have explained me. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Queen of Cups. You are manifesting your emotional fulfillment. Wow. Literally wow. I can say King and Queen of Swords both are there, Aquarius. You are going to meet your soulmate now. Now you are working hard on yourself. Eight of Pentacles, you both are working on yourself, because this is the mutual energy. Wheel of Fortune is the mutual energy, so you both are working so hard. And this is Two of Pentacle, and there is Two of Pentacle in your partner too. So this is the mutual energy, Aquarius, and you both are getting together back again. Okay, or soon you are going to meet each other, Aquarius. You're meeting your twin flame, because there is a King of Swords and Queen of Swords, a pair, air energy. Maybe you are dealing with air energy, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Your soulmate may be an air energy, okay, air element. And now because you both are working, putting efforts on each other, not on each other, putting efforts on working on inner work, working on yourself. Okay, you will both put each other, and you both are on juggle. You were juggling, you both were juggling. You both were juggling with the Two of Swords. You both want this. See, Two of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles, Two of Swords, sorry. This is Two of Swords, and this is Two of Pentacles. Wow. I'm going to take these cards. You were manifesting your Queen of Cups. You want to offer your your cup, emotion cup, to someone who will take care of it. You want equal amount of give and take, and communication is coming. Communication is coming. Two of Pentacle is there, and there is Two Pentacle there. So yeah, you were juggling between, you both were juggling between two situations, or two, whether to take this decision or not. And now you are going to be out of that zone, because King and Queen Swords of there. See, this is a combination. Wow, this is not a combination. Okay, so this was your soulmate going to enter in your life, and that's the Wheel of Fortune is entering. Don't reject them, Aquarius. Accept them. Okay, focus on this cup. This is so colorful. They want to offer you. They want to offer you. Let's see. Let's see your soulmate cards. Let me explain you. What is the meaning of Six of Wands in your soulmate reading? Okay, what is Six of Wands? What is Six of Wands? Knight of Pentacles. Maybe they are moving in a slow pace, but they are moving in a direction, Aquarius. They are moving, okay? And this is the slowest energy in the deck, but they are the loyal one. They are the one who you can trust. This energy is a slow energy, but they are the loyal one, Aquarius. Knight of Pentacles, okay? See, again these cards have come. Page of Swords, Six of Pentacles, and Eight of Wands. Communication is coming towards you, and they want to offer you equal amount of give and take. Maybe they are spying on you, or you are spying on them. Okay, but this is them, and they want to offer you equal amount of give and take. And they will communicate with you, Aquarius. Communication is coming towards you. They will communicate with you to offer you, and they will get success in that. Wow, Knight of Pentacle. Knight of Pentacle is going to offer you something. Okay, let me see. Wow, King of Cups is there too. King and Queen, again a confirmation that you are going to meet your soulmate very soon, if you have not met yet. Okay, Aquarius. So what is ending, Aquarius, in your soulmate life? What is ending in your soulmate life? What does this Death card mean? Okay. What is ending? What is Death card in the soulmate reading? Okay, what is that card? What is the Death card? What does the Death card mean? Okay. Oh my god. Okay. So yeah, Aquarius, because this is your soulmate, so the things will be the same, okay, between you both. Okay, they were also going through some deceptions and lies. Three of Swords and Seven of Swords, Aquarius. There were some deceptions, cheating, lying, manipulation in their life too. Okay, and they were also dealing with this too. Queen of Wands and Empress. They were juggling between these two energy, and right now they may be defensive, self-guarded. They may be guarding their energy. They are defensive because there were some past hurts, there were some deceptions, third party situation in the past in their life, but they're putting an end to that. They are putting an end to that, and they are deciding between you two. There is two energy in their life, and Queen of Wands and Empress, and they see you as an Empress, Aquarius. They know your worth. They know your worth. They were juggling between two things. What is the Knight of Swords? What is the meaning of Knight of Swords? Explain me the meaning of Knight of Swords. Okay. See. No, I'm not going to take it. Let me explain me. What is Knight of Swords? What is Knight of Swords meaning? Explain me the meaning of Knight of Swords. What is the meaning of Knight of Swords? Wow. Knight of Cups and Death and Rebirth again. Death and Rebirth again. There are so many confirmations. Death and Rebirth, Death and Rebirth. They are putting an end, and they are coming towards you to offer you. This person may be young in age than you, maybe. Okay, they are the romantic one. They are the romantic one, Aquarius, because they are the soulmate for you. So yeah, they are putting an end to the situation. They're taking a rebirth, and they're coming towards you. Knight of Cups, who is full of emotions. They want to offer you these flowers, the cup, the all romantic things they want to offer you, and they're rushing towards you. Any other thing you want to tell me? What is this Knight of Swords? What is this Knight of Swords? What is this Knight of Swords? What does this Knight of Swords mean? No, they're saying no. Okay. Okay. Yeah, see. Nine of Cups. Wish fulfillment. You are the wish fulfillment for them too. They're waiting their ships to come. They want to move towards a calmer water with you. And there is a lover cards too. You both are the lovers. Nine of Cups and Nine of Cups. Nine of Cups. In your reading, you also want to achieve wish fulfillment. You were searching for Nine of Cups, and they were also searching for Nine of Cups. And they find you as the wish fulfilled lovers card. Soulmate card, Aquarius. Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. They want to move to a calmer places. They are waiting for their ships to come, and they know that they will get succeeded. They have make a decision on you. They have already made a decision on you. Wow, I love it. I love it, Aquarius. Things were same in both of you, Aquarius. They were also dealing with same kind of energy. See, I can say Seven of Swords and Three of Swords, and in this also you are dealing with Seven of Swords and Three of Swords. They were also dealing with some kind of energy which gave them heartbreaks only. Deceptions, manipulations. This soulmate is coming towards you, Aquarius. Just look at the person, okay? Don't reject them. Look at them. They are coming for you because this is your life partner, soulmate. You are the lovers. Can you see how beautiful it is? How beautiful it is. You need to see them. They find you as an empress, someone who is very nurturing, caring, mothering figure, okay? You are their wish fulfillment. You are the wish fulfillment, and they are very romantic, Aquarius. You are very, and there is a king and queen both. So there are a lot of confirmation that this is a new person is your soulmate. Don't reject them. See how colorful it is. See how beautiful it is. Okay, Aquarius? So yeah, this was your soulmate reading. Put this devil out of your life. And you are putting it, I know. You are putting it out. So this was your soulmate reading. Let's add what your soulmate wants to tell you. Let's see what they want to tell you, and later on I'm going to add some charms to your reading. Okay, Aquarius? I know it's a lengthy reading because 3030 was the recording reading time, but I love doing explanation so that I can help you out in some manner. You make me complete. Your soulmate wants to tell you that you make them complete. You make me complete. You do things to make me happy. Let me adjust it. Okay, you do things to make me happy. Okay, let's see. Any other message from the soulmate? What they want to tell you? Any other message? What they want to tell you? Any other message? What they want to tell you? Any other message from the soulmate? Any other message? Any other message from the soulmate? Okay, enough. You make me laugh continuously, constantly. I can't pronounce it, so I'm saying continuously. You make me laugh continuously. Okay, they want to tell you this. You never give up on me. Why there is no clarity here? You never give up on me. You sound sexy over the phone. They want to tell you that you sound sexy over the phone. Okay. You and I have so much in common. You and I have so much in common. You are wise and witty. You always wish for my success. That's also a message. So these are the things which they want to tell you. Let's add some charms for you. Let's see what are the charms for you. And close it off. Aquarius, you have come. Some of you are dealing with Aquarius, Leo, Virgo, and Libra. Your soulmate can be an Aquarius, Leo, Virgo, and Libra. Okay, Aquarius. These are the 4 signs which came in your reading right now. Elephant, every time elephant comes in your reading, comes as your lucky charm. So yeah, this elephant is giving you strength, courage. Okay. Owl is there. See, intuitions. Work on your intuition. Owl is there. You have to work through your intuitions. Just go through your intuitions. There is a leaf here, a small leaf. Okay. And there is a leaf in golden leaf in a pear. Okay, I think I can show you out like this. Okay, so this is in pear. Okay, Aquarius, a pair of leaf is there. Sorry for the background noise. There is a clove need. Good news, fortune is coming in your way. Fish is there. Good news is coming on your way, Aquarius. Some good news will come to you. There is a tree with 2 holes which can be tied from you. So this is an indication of twin flame. For me, this is the twin flame indication. Okay, you both are tied in a tree. Can you see a circle? There is a, you can wear like this. So yeah. These are the lucky charms, Aquarius. I'm not going to take these because these are the same ones. The leaves, lot of leaves are there in right on. Nature wants to tell you some messages, Aquarius. Again, the leaf is there. So yeah, flower, 2 flowers are there. a small flower and a big flower. Okay, so yeah, Aquarius, these are the lucky charms for you, my beautiful lovely Aquarius. This was your soulmate love reading. Okay, what are the energies between you and your soulmate? Because some of you are already in union, but some of you are not in union yet. So these were the messages for you and your soulmate. I hope it resonates with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out. Okay, you can leave behind, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do let me know in the comment section if you like my video, and do let me know if you want to ask me anything. Okay, till the time, take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.